Hey everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV. I want to show you this Avenger by Primetime. It's a 20RD model, nice little unit, great for those weekend trips. Dual propane. Easy in, easy out, great affordable option. Have our main sleeping space back here when you first enter the coach. Our bathroom right here, right in the middle. Nice big shower with a tub. Get it all cleaned up there. Nice big sink area here. Lots and lots of space for your dishes. Nice Furrion 3-burner stove here with your oven. And of course a nice big dinette here. Sleeping space. Easy to break down and build back up. Lots and lots of windows here in the back, so lots of natural lighting. And then of course to offset that heat we have a Coachmen AC. So if you have any questions about this RV, feel free to give us a call at the number here on this page. We're more than glad to answer any questions for you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.